Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and again I am back with a new video. As you all know, I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you people can understand, okay? And in our last video, I have covered this topic called Awaken Your Subconscious Mind. And in this video, I will be covering the topic called Satish Story. You must have courage to improve, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So whenever you see the video, if you come by number 1, 2, 3, you will understand it in a better way. Otherwise, you will not get the connections, right? And do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icons, hit the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification. And also you can connect me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will give the link in the description. Okay, friends, I will start. 21/5/1981. Satish story. You must have courage to improve. This is the name of the topic. There are many cases in which souls are extremely weak and are afraid to change their routine. They are afraid to turn good thinking their colleagues with ridicule and blackmail them, or they do, or that good people will never become them and will ignore and insult them, or they believe that their life is hopeless. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagari that there are many souls who are in the evil path. They are very much afraid to improve. They think if I improve, nobody will give me respect, nobody will care for me. It's better I continue the same life and I be in the same life without improving like a bad soul. Here is a true story about a soul we will call Satish. This story will show you how wrong you can be. Satish was a good soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us a story, right? So for the meantime, Vipsi and Ratu decided that that story to that person, Vipsi and Ratu will call Satish, okay? And Satish was a good soul at a point of time, at a certain point of time in his life. But he faced many bad influences in his childhood. His mother died in early 30s when Satish was only 5 years old. His father tried to raise him alone, but as he could not, he remarried, claiming it was only for the sake of his son, which was absolutely untrue. So here is Ripsi and Ratu is telling us the story of the Satish. So Satish lost his mother when he was 5 years old, and Satish father said that Satish father was taking upbringing his Satish, and he married to another lady. So as telling that Ma, what will happen to my son? But this was untrue. He did the marriage for himself, not for his son. This stepmother never liked Satish. She hated him since the very first day she saw him. But she never showed her hatred for Satish to her husband. When she had her own children, she completely neglected Satish and very conveniently put him in the low class and cheap boarding school. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling that Sati's stepmother who never loved him. But he never shown this disrespect towards Satish in front of Satish's father. He always shown to Satish's father that he loves Satish very much. And once his own child happened, what Satish's mother did, Satish's mother put Satish in a cheap boarding school. Okay, saying he was unmanageable as well as bad influence on her child. He was telling he was unable to manage them and it may put a bad influence to his child. The boarding school was so horrible and Satish fell into bad company and adopted their habit and manner. By the time he left school, Satish's father had died and his stepmother left town without a forwarding address. So, at the moment when Satish education completed and Satish left the boarding school, Satish father was no more. He was dead, and Satish mother lived that place, and even she didn't forward it there where they are going. What is the new address? He was left alone with no money and no one to look after him. So he departed on his vagabond friends from school. So Satish was having no money and even no place to go. So he went to his vagabond friends, right? Along with two of his friends, he became friendly with rich young boys and girls, pretending that he belonged to a rich family. So here, Satish had some young boys and girlfriends whom he used to Satish also used to pretend they were very rich, and even in front of them, Satish used to also pretend that I am also very rich. He became a part of their life and then swindled, blackmailed, and harassed them. Satish and his friends moved from town to town, city to city, taking advantage of rich boys and girls. So Satish started blackmailing his friends. Satish started moving with his boys and girlfriends with different cities and blackmailing them that you give me money, and started Satish started taking advantage of his boys and girlfriends from his boy and girlfriends. One day when he was on a train with his friend, Satish saw a girl who was alone. From her attire, she seemed to be rich, so they tried to be friend her. She was shy and timid, so she avoided them. So here, Satish once was traveling with his boy and girlfriends. Then she saw a young girl, right? She was looking rich by her dress. So Satish said that I wanted to do friendship with this girl. So Satish went there and started approaching that girl, but that girl didn't speak because he was shy and timid, which made them go after her even more. When she got off the station, they followed her home. She was not rich, but they continued to pursue her. Somehow, Satish was successful in befriending her and then fell in love. So when the station of that girl came, that girl went down in the station and went to her house, right? Once Satish went to her house and he realized that this girl is not a rich girl, right? She's a poor, but still Satish fell in love with that girl, and Satish was in very much love with that girl. She was very honest and kind-hearted girl, just the opposite of Satish, and he fell blindly in love. He could not see any way to marry her, as he could not follow the straight path because he had no training whatsoever. So, but that girl whom Satish was in love with, that girl was very good, right? And that girl also really loved Satish, and Satish also fell in love with that girl. So Satish at the end had no option to marry that girl, right? But that girl was very good, and even that girl blindly fell in love with Satish. He dared not tell her that he was a vagabond and a crook, as he believed she thought him to be a rich boy belonging to a high society. So Satish didn't want to tell his dark truth to that girl because Satish believed if I say my truth, she will leave me. And Satish never let her know that that he was a very bad boy, and even he was not a rich. He feared his two colleagues would ridicule him if he tried to follow the straight path. So even he was afraid if I follow the straight path, then my what will my friends tell? They will not, leave friendship with me. He thought they might tell her as well or even try to blackmail him. So even Satish thought if I went on the correct path, there is quite possibility that this two of my friends could tell my new girlfriend, right? And even they would have been blackmailed me. So this was different kind of thought in the mind of Satish. Her influence made him want to break away from his two friends and made him keen to change his ways. He wanted to work on the straight path from then on. But still, Satish wanted to walk on the same straight path and want to improve in his life. But in fear, what will my friends say? He was unable to work. but he was very upset as he could not see a way out of his predicament. His love for her was too strong for him to fool her, and if he told her the truth, she would never accept him as her husband, as she was a very honest girl. So Satish was in a dilemma. If I tell the truth to my new girlfriend, she will never accept me because she is a very good and kind hearted girl. And I cannot leave her. And if I don't tell the truth, then what will happen? My friends will blackmail me, and many things will happen. Many things was going in the mind of Satish. Satish wondered how he could rid himself from evil, leave his two colleagues, earn an honest living, and become a gentleman. So Satish was thinking, how could I leave my this bad life, leave my these two of my friends, and I could come in the straight path and I could live a honest life. The cowardly Satish was deeply in love with the girl. But even so strong a love did not give him the courage to change in his ways. Apart, Satish was in love with that girl, but still, Satish didn't have that courage to change. No, I want to change. Although he was in such a deep love with that girl, he was sure that if she came to know the truth, she would hate him. He now repented, leading a bad life, but he had no courage to change. So here Satish was aware that if she came to know about me, she will leave me. But Satish wanted to improve, but Satish didn't have that courage to improve. That I will, from today, I will walk in the correct place, walk in the correct path, I will improve. So courage is required. Satish didn't have that courage to change. Thinking he would never be able to make her happy or follow the straight path, Satish left without telling the girl anything. He lost a very good opportunity in his life, would have changed entirely. He would have become a good and reached a higher level. So here Vipsin Ratu is telling, apart from, it was an opportunity for Satish to come in the right way, live a honest life, go in a higher level in the spiritual world. So that girl was an opportunity for her to make her grow spiritually. But Satish refused. Satish one day without telling, Satish left that girl, which was very disappointing for that girl also. Satish cowardized, ruined his life. If he gathered enough courage to speak frankly and honestly to the girl, he would have found out that she already knew all about him through his colleague. So here there is a mystery that already that girl knew everything about Satish. So if Satish would have gone and spoken to that girl that I am a crook, then the girl will find a new way for Satish. But Satish didn't did that. Who had been keen to separate them? They had already told her everything, but she had made up her mind to marry Satish and improve him. So here Satish, two friends, said everything about Satish to that girl. But Satish made her mind that I will improve him. I won't leave him. She just wanted to be sure that Satish true loved her. But he left without even saying a word. What a big mistake he made. So it was a very big mistake that Satish made. By without telling anything, Satish left that beautiful girl who was in keen interest to improve Satish. You should be brave enough to face your problem and change. You should never let go of an opportunity to true from bad to good. So here Vipsin Ratu is telling that whenever opportunity comes in our life to improve, we should take out that opportunity and improve in our life. We should not think that no, let the opportunity go. No, we should always take that opportunity and improve in our life. Once you lose such an opportunity, it is almost impossible in this evil world to get another chance like that. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagari that so in this evil world, if we lose one opportunity, there is very difficult to get another opportunity. So we should not leave any opportunity. In this case, Satish would have been helped by the girl if only he had enough courage to tell her how deeply and truly he loved her. So here it was a chance for Satish to improve. if truly and deeply he could tell that girl that how much Satish loved him, but Satish missed that opportunity. Okay, friends, so this topic came to an end. Satish story, you must have courage to improve. This topic came to an end. So, in our next video, I will be covering another topic called Surda's story. A soul risk all to be with his loved one. So, this is the end, friends. And as I always say, this book is this long, and I cannot make this full book in one video. So, what I am doing is that I am making this book in each and every video, so you people can understand it in a proper way. And do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like my video, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay, so and you can even connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. Do comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will give each and every answer to in the comment section. Okay, friends, so this bring the end of this video. So be happy, be blessed, be cheerful, and I will meet you in next video. Okay, bye. Till then, goodbye, friends.